Welcome back to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? All right guys, I want to show you today why you should buy Planter Organic Super Juice. This juice is amazing, and yes guys, coming very soon. Don't forget to put in your order because this will sell fast. As soon as people start seeing the result, this product gonna sell like hot bread. All right, so right here I'm going to show you an area where I have some of these, and I'm going to show you the difference. This is some squash we have here. This is an Italian squash. It produces some beautiful squash, some long squash, something like this. All right, pretty long. They could go up to 4 feet in length. But this is what's going on here right now. They're looking beautiful coming up back of here. So these are the squash that I use the juice on. Look the beauty of these ones. Coming around here, I now add the juice to the squash 1 day ago. So I'm not seeing the result as yet, but I'm just watching. Okay? Over here as well, I add some of the juice a day ago. So what you see over there, that's the project right over there. In this area right here, I did add the product in the super juice to these plants. And what happened is these plants, I already harvest like 4 times from these plants already, which I'm going to be harvesting this plant, this as well. Okay? And it's still producing up in there, if you can see. All right, over here we have butternut squash. These butternut squash is growing, they're doing pretty well over there. We have more up here. Yeah, we have one right inside here. So the butternut squash already start producing as well. Wow, it's sliding up inside here. All right guys, so I want to show you guys what